Well, I changed my mind, folks. It's 6 o'clock at the evening, 87 degrees, and I decided to try the Waterfall illusion. Now, this is what I come up with. I have a pot and I filled it with bricks, and I threw some fake marigolds. These are marbles. And then I purchased at my local greenhouse a flower pouch. And then I planted the orange marigolds and then the bonanza yellow marigolds. And we'll see how this lasts. In the back, I use stakes to keep it upright, because when it gets watered, the dirt in the pouch gets heavy. So I had to brace it. Here we are, May 12th, in Bay City, Michigan. And I still will come out tonight to see what it looks like all lit up. We'll see how it goes this summer. I'll catch you then tonight.